Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to farm gold in Mobile Dungeon. Gold is one of the most common and essential currencies in Mobile Dungeon, and fortunately, there are several reliable ways to farm it efficiently. The main method is through Adventure Mode, where nearly every stage rewards gold. As you progress into higher regions, the gold payout increases, making late game stages much more profitable. Dungeons are another excellent source of gold, especially if you can clear them quickly and consistently. Higher difficulty dungeons provide better rewards, but efficiency matters just as much as difficulty. Clearing slightly easier stages faster can sometimes earn more gold over time than struggling through harder content. Be sure to check dungeon proficiency bonuses, as certain levels increase gold rewards and improve farming efficiency. You should also avoid staying too long in comfortable but low reward stages. Continuously upgrade your team so you can handle tougher content and improve your gold income. Finally, balance gold farming with gathering or other sources, since overall progression helps increase your long term farming potential. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.